How to add widgets to home screen. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add widgets to home screen. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So if you want to learn how to do this, don't miss any steps, because if you do, you won't be able to do it. So the first thing you need to do is to know that the same method applies for iOS devices and also Android devices. So when you long press on your screen on an Android or on an iPhone, it will shake on the iPhone but not on Android, but it will also have the same method on both devices. So in there you can see the widgets, so just click on this widgets right here, and then you can add some widgets that you want to add on your phone. Different apps differ on Android and iOS, so you may have different widgets, but you can also just add whatever is in you. So for me, I will add the widget of Google right here, for example, and then I can just put in here, and that's all that I can do. And add another widget if I want, and if I want to remove it, I can just click on this minus icon and click on remove widget, and that should be removed. The same method also applies on iOS, because there will be an X button and you can remove it from there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add widgets to home screen. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.